pan and I'm going to add butter to it. There you go. So as the butter melts, we are going to add salt to it as per your taste, and then I'm going to add some freshly ground black pepper. I'm going to add an extra bit of it. This is going to give very good taste. So I'll mix it. Wow. Absolute beauty. And now to this, we'll go ahead and add lime juice. So now at this point of time, I am going to turn off the flame and I'll add up some lime juice to it. Wow. Go ahead and taste it. Perfect. Now we have our prawns, boiled prawns, and we have the lemon butter sauce ready. So now next, let's go and taste it. So guys, we have our prawns ready. Now I am going to just remove the shell. I'll just show you. There you go. So we have prawns. So yeah. Delicious, right? So the way the butter is just dripping. Wow. I'm just going to mix it nicely. The richness of black pepper. And here you go. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Oh. The taste of butter, lemon, and black pepper. Amazing combination. So whenever I'm hungry or I have prawns, just get the prawns. I don't make the curry. I just boil it. And this is the sauce that I prepare and have it. Hardly 5 minutes. And you know, the best taste as well. I'm pretty sure you have to give this a try. And I'm pretty sure you're going to fall in love with it. So guys, do prepare this at home and share it with your friends. And let us know how it is. Okay, and as you know, that I always say, you don't have to impress someone with your look when you know how to cook. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.